it's Gina with WTI. I found that I can't live without this Tumaz yoga strap. I really like to get into some deeper stretches and I'm not quite as flexible as I want to be yet. And so having this strap really makes it easier for me to get those hard to reach places. I'm 5'4" tall and I have the 6-foot strap and that works perfectly for me. I love that the strap is really soft to the touch and it feels good on my feet or my hands when I use it. It doesn't cause any scratching or tearing of my skin. You can easily adjust the strap using the D-rings to make a little loop to put your foot in or your hand or whatever it is that you're wanting to stretch out. Or you can just double up the strap and use it that way. I found this strap has really helped me to get that deep stretch into my hamstrings, my quads, and even to loosen up my shoulders. It's a really strong strap and I just love the colors. They fit in with all my other workout equipment. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for something to help you get to the next level with your exercise or stretching or yoga routine. And that's my point of view.